My name is Dheeraj Giram, and my today's topic is what is DBMS, Database Management System. It is a software that is used to manage the database. Then what is the actually database? The database is a collection of interrelated data which is used to retrieve, insert and delete the data efficiently. It is also used to organize the data in the form of table, schema and views and reports, etc. The database management system is software which is used to manage the database. For example, MySQL, Oracle, etc. are very popular commercial database which is used in a different applications. DBMS provides an interface to perform various operations like database creation, storing data in it, updating data, creating a table in the database, and a lot of more. It provides a protection and a security to the database. In the case of multiple users, it also maintain data consistency. Database allows user data definition. It is used for a creation, modification and remove all the definitions that defines the organization of data in the database. Then database updation. The database updation is used for the insertion, modification and deletion of the actual data in the database. Then data retrieval. It is used to retrieve the data from the database, which can be used by application for various purpose. User administrator. It is used for registering and monitoring users, maintain data integrity, enforcing data security, dealing with concurrency control, monitoring performance and recovering information corrupted by unexpected failures. Then characteristics of DBMS. It is uses a digital repository established on the server to store and manage the information. It can provide a clear and logical view to the process that manipulate data. DBMS contains automatic backup and recovery procedure. It contains ACID property which maintain data in a healthy state. In case of failure, it reduce the complexity relationship between data. It is used to support manipulation and processing of data. It is used to provide a security data of it is also view the database from the different viewpoints according to the requirements of user. That's it.